Usambut Menteri Rangba Jelau ba Preston Tensong ulather tinge yu Vice President ka Party All India Trinamool Congress Zenit Sangma dagaba kenno baga jingle jongu sheki jaka khapot haribhoi kadei tang ka jingkwa buram lane ka political mileage laban kedo hangne banakaliang unong yelam jongka AITC Zenit Sangma haka arp khandai tarik ulah hiar shiki snong bahap haki benta baningkong banyepun baik khapot jongka ribhoi district kabakenthop ye ka pilang kata mai khuli barapathar bat yong khuli ha ka baula kenno baka sarkar jilla kala shimrai halor upot usam khlem kanu ka jingpin bana paitba bar ka sarkar kala yai laj ban sngap ye ka jing sngo ki nongshong snong kane ka thain Hapai kran shikilar pathai khubor nakaliang uba tensong uloong bau Zenit Sangma umdei udkhot jongka regional committee kumta shim latip EA halor ka jingle jurep jongka regional committee Usambut Menteri Rangba uloong ru bahagi por baladem klem shem ladon manu ru banot ban penkhi ya kane kamat khaput tat hadin baka sarkar MDA kalawan hakabor bat kalarai bakan shimkhia ban penbek ya kane kaman ban wengi ke jingye shurun ke jingye kaja shagi banta khaput.
Based on this Assam Regulation Act 1969, where the definition of Kasi state boundaries was as per the...
See, don't refer to me only the Reorganization Act 1969. You need to also go for 1971 and beyond 1971. We have your amendment are there. So don't specifically indicate it only to one act. Okay. As I said, we have 1971 and then we have even 1972. So why don't you go through all this? That's what we have already gone through all this. But ultimately, as I said, you leave aside that constitutional passage that we have. We need to discuss both sides mutually. So once that is done, ultimately we will again process for the constitutional amendment of the boundary issue.
Well, Lama had made a ground visit and had stated that the government didn't carry out any public hearing, interacted with the locals out there. Everyone is not happy that the government went against their will. How true is this?
See, I think that is totally wrong. Zenit Sangma was not a member of the committee. I was the chairman of the committee. So we involved all the traditional heads, and then the local headman, and then with the members of the committee, we went there and then we seen everything. And not only that, we collected all the papers, all the documents. We collected from them. So Zenit Sangma, he does not know anything. I mean, you just going there to create political mileage. I think that is wrong. I would request him not to do this kind of job, because this is too dirty. And then you can't, as I said to you, nobody could touch this issue unless we took over the government. And that is MDA government who took over the government. And then we were so serious to make sure that solution has to be there in any case, to stop the confusion, to stop the fighting among brothers and sisters, be it from Assam or be it from Meghalaya. So this is what we are doing right now. So I would request that please don't create confusion at all, because as I said to you, we are sincere and we are here to serve for the betterment of the state as well.
What else?
The Chief Minister to just in we are still seeing NGOs and pressure groups and even are questioning what the government, because they have maintained that the government was signed without taking the people into confidence.
See, let me just tell you one thing. We are very clear from day one. When you have any disputes, when you have any differences, when you have any kind of, counter-claiming each other, the solution is what? Solution would be, we have to adjust both sides. Because see, if we think only for the interest of Meghalaya state, I think that is wrong. Or if Assam think only for their own interest, I think that is wrong. So what we have to do is we need to adjust as much as possible. So in fact, the regional committee, when we went down up to the zero level, we have seen everything. There is some adjustment here and there, which I think I personally feel this is the only way where we can carry forward for a permanent solution. So I would request be it NGOs, be it the stakeholders, anybody. Please cooperate with the government. And I think this is the only way out, where we can really close down those long pending issues, which is now lasted for 50 years.
So the